I think it is absolutely irresponsible to have so many explosives in one particular station, and nobody's even discussing it. 9 people have lost their lives in Kashmir, and we are still not talking about it. And how have we managed to rule out that it was an accident and it was not something which was planned or was done with an ulterior motive by probably terror agencies, which probably knew so many explosives were at that particular police station? Uh, I remember the Prime Minister as well as the Cabinet coming forward and saying post Pahalgam that there is a new line that has been drawn. And I have been part of the parliamentary delegation going and telling the entire world that now there's a new red line that our Prime Minister has drawn, BJP has drawn, the government has drawn, that any act of terror will be considered an act of war. However, it is being called an act of terror what happened in Delhi, but we are not willing to take any such action where we call out Pakistan because JEM still is headquartered in Pakistan. Now, even in this particular police station, why are we not discussing this? Why are we not asking for accountability from the Home Minister, from the LG there? Jammu and Kashmir continues to has a chief minister, but the chief minister is ineffective because he does not have a state. He relies on the center for all the powers. So I think this is a huge question mark and something that we would need to unite. While we are totally united in the purpose of ensuring justice is done, but there are some things that would need to come from the government saying that yes, we need to do this better or handle it better because 9 lives have been lost in this